This is my submission for the P90X one-on-one contest. I call this exercise the 1 mile pile driver, and it pretty much gives you the effect of running a mile in about 3 minutes time. So if you ever wanted to run a 3-minute mile, this is the way to do it. So it's 3 moves and 3 sets. You start off with curls and calf raises, and then you go into a 10-second sprint, and then the final exercise is a squat that goes into a leg and arm lift. So here you go. And on the calf raises, you want to make sure that you're just getting your full extension to the calves while you're doing your curls so that you get the most burn. When you're doing your squats, go down as far as you can that you feel as comfortable with. And again, just so you get the most effect and get the most out of the workout. And again, just make sure that you get the full extension on your calves when you're doing your extensions. And if you need to have a workout buddy, you can see my friend the Gnome is here spotting me, just to make sure that I'm doing everything correctly and safely. Remember, just have fun with your workout. And always bring it.